What if I told you that death might become optional in your lifetime? Can you imagine celebrating your 1 billionth birthday, looking as youthful as you do today? Is it possible that science is on the brink of cracking the code of immortality? These aren't just flights of fancy anymore. We're diving into the cutting-edge research that's challenging everything we thought we knew about the limits of human life. Think about this. In 1907, the average person was expected to live just 46 years. Science, not content with this brief flicker of human existence, embarked on a relentless quest to extend our time on Earth. Researchers tirelessly battled against infectious diseases, improved sanitation, and revolutionized medical care. Their efforts paid off spectacularly. By 1957, life expectancy had surged to 66 years, a gain of 2 decades in just half a century. But was science satisfied? Far from it. The struggle continued, with breakthroughs in cancer treatments, heart disease prevention, and geriatric care. The result? By 2007, average life expectancy had climbed to an impressive 75 years. That's not just progress, it's a revolution in human longevity, a testament to science's unwavering determination to push back the boundaries of mortality. And yet, even this remarkable achievement is just the beginning. Science has set its sights on a far more ambitious goal, not just extending life, but potentially conquering death itself. The advancements we're seeing now are nothing short of mind-blowing. Let's delve into some of the most exciting experiments happening right now. In 2014, a groundbreaking study published in Nature Communications sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Researchers discovered that simple dietary changes could potentially increase lifespans by a staggering 50%. How did they achieve this? In mice, scientists implemented a strategy called caloric restriction, reducing the mice's food intake without causing malnutrition. The results were astonishing. Not only did the mice live longer, but they also showed decreased incidence of cancer, cardiovascular disease, and other age-related conditions. Can you imagine the implications if this translates to humans? We could potentially extend our lifespans by half again, simply by modifying our diets. But the question remains, would this increased lifespan come with improved health and vitality, or would we merely be prolonging the period of old age? Yes! Let's talk about another bizarre yet fascinating experiment that's pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Have you heard of parabiosis? It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's very real and potentially game-changing. In this experiment, scientists connected the circulatory systems of old and young mice. The results were nothing short of astounding. The old mice didn't just live longer, they seemed to grow younger. Their cognitive abilities improved, and their muscles became stronger. What could be causing this rejuvenating effect? Researchers believe it might be due to certain factors present in young blood that diminish as we age. This has led to human trials where older adults are receiving blood plasma from young donors. While it's too early to draw definitive conclusions, early results have been promising, showing improvements in biomarkers associated with aging. Now, can you imagine the possibilities if we could isolate these youth-promoting factors? We might be able to develop treatments that could not just extend life, but actually reverse aspects of aging. It's a tantalizing prospect that could revolutionize how we think about growing old. These experiments are just the tip of the iceberg in science's audacious quest to defeat aging and death. They represent not just the potential for longer lives, but for fundamentally reimagining what it means to grow old. But here's where our story takes a dramatic turn. Just as science seemed to be on the verge of cracking the code of immortality, it hit a wall, a biological barrier at 120 years. Despite all our advances, the number of people reaching extreme old age has started to decrease. It's as if nature itself is pushing back against this eternal life. Can science break through this barrier? Can we push human life beyond 120 years? The battle is on, with researchers around the world working tirelessly to overcome this final hurdle. Will stem cells be the key? Could organ transplants from other species be our ticket to immortality? Let's explore these cutting-edge approaches. Stem cell therapy holds immense promise. Scientists are developing ways to use these versatile cells to regenerate damaged tissues and organs. For instance, researchers at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden have successfully transplanted lab-grown tracheas, created using the patient's own stem cells. This groundbreaking work could potentially lead to the regeneration of more complex organs, effectively replacing our aging parts with brand new ones. As for interspecies organ transplants, or xenotransplantation, we're making remarkable progress. In January 2022, surgeons at the University of Maryland Medical Center successfully transplanted a genetically modified pig heart into a human patient. This milestone opens up the possibility of an unlimited supply of organs, potentially eliminating the shortage that costs countless lives each year. We're also making incredible strides in tissue engineering. Scientists are developing 3D printed organs using human cells, which could one day provide tailor-made replacements for failing organs. Imagine a world where we could simply print a new heart or liver when needed. These advancements are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible, inching us closer to the tantalizing prospect of indefinitely extending human life. But as we stand on the brink of these monumental achievements, we need to pause and ask ourselves, why do we want immortality in the first place? And this leads us to an even more profound question: what does life really mean? More importantly, what does your life mean? Is your life simply defined by your physical body, destined to succumb to disease and decay? Or is it your morals and values, which could be corrupted or forgotten? Perhaps it's your memories, which might fade with time. Or is it your ideas, which could be cast aside by future generations? Before we can truly answer whether it's possible to live forever, we need to understand who we are and what our lives mean. Only then can we determine if our existence is truly finite or if there's more to us than our physical forms. The quest to conquer death isn't just about extending our lifespans. It's about defining what it means to truly live and what it means to leave a lasting impact on the world. As science continues its relentless pursuit of immortality, it's up to each of us to decide what eternal life would mean for us. Share your thoughts in the comments below. How do you define your life, and what would true immortality look like to you? Remember, the pursuit of immortality isn't just about living forever, it's about understanding the very essence of our existence. Or perhaps true immortality lies in contemplating the universe outside of us and the universe within us, and drawing closer to their Creator? In that case, immortality in His boundless paradise is something beyond comprehension. If you found this exploration of immortality fascinating, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mind-bending content. Check out our other videos on cutting-edge scientific discoveries and philosophical inquiries. And for those of you hungry for more information, we've linked all our sources in the description below. Dive deeper into the research we've discussed and draw your own conclusions. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep living life the right way, whether that's for 80 years or 8 billion.